Hello guys and welcome to TechRix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to prompt on Invideo AI. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the website. And once we are now on the Invideo AI website, just go here on the top left corner and then you will see this create AI video. So after that, just click this. You will now be directed here to give a prompt on what your video will look like. So let's say for example that we want to create a video about traveling. So let's put top 10 for traveling in 2024. And let's say for example that this is the topic of our video that we want to create. So after that, let's click generate a video right here. And after that, will automatically create the video for you. And as you can see right here, Invideo AI have now created the video for us. But if you want to give more command on this video, so let's use this command box right here. So let's try this for example. So make this chapter half as long. So let's use this one and then click generate again. And then Invideo AI again will adjust your video on how you want to see it. And after that, as you can see right there, it is now shorter. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRix tutorial. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.